This is ChatGPT, and I told it to make Flappy Birds. You do have to know a little bit about some code. So I'll use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript vanilla to make it. It does work, but there's bugs to it. It's kind of glitchy. And then limitations to like how much text you can get unless you pay for it. I think it's because of the API tokens. So you can make like very mediocre games. Yeah. You still need to know how to code, like a bit of it, and review the code and see what's going on. Computer can understand so much, but the computer doesn't have eyes or things like a human. You just tell it things, and it'll try to do its best to code for you. It's still not as good as a human overall, but it's really good at essay writing and writing articles. That's something it's really good at. It could build like small apps, but this app is around 149 lines of code of JavaScript. So it works on the browser. It's pretty neat. It does jump the ball or the yellow bird. Color. Make it red. So I love Japanese. You know what? Let me see what's going on. I want red. Okay. It doesn't work. No, it's not. What's wrong with my code? Color red. That's yellows elsewhere. No. Doesn't want to change colors. Come on. Game over is red. Oh, there it is. Now it should turn red. There we go. And then the game over. Make it black. There we go. So you can see I actually know some code and know how to read it because I've been coding for a very long time. So and JavaScript's my main code, and I know CSS, HTML, and all the other ones that are similar to it, but whatever it is, what it is. So it's pretty amazing what ChatGPT can do. Can it replace programmers? No, not really. Still gotta know how to code. Not everything, but yeah, I made Flappy Birds, like a rudimentary, crappy Flappy Birds. Has a little red ball, has the pipes, has a game over, and the game is extremely hard. Probably harder than the real one. I think his game was also made as a glitch accidentally. So, yeah, thanks for watching and peace out, guys.